The Indus Way is really a very distinctive style of thought, of action, that ultimately works towards building companies from the bottom up and building and scaling them to a level where they transform lives.
The Indus Way to me personifies build and scale. You know, building is a very rare skill set. Let's look at last 100 years. Most of the global economies which have done really well, these SMEs essentially have been the one which have driven the GDP growth. And hence, these are the guys who lead to serious success year after year for an economy at large. These companies are by and large driven by the promoter. These promoters are superlative individual performers. But most superlative individual performers are not necessarily great leaders. The Indus Way as a philosophy is to help promoters build and scale by allowing them to continue the expertise or the core skill sets which they possess, but augmenting them with other skill sets which essentially help them scale.
Let's imagine an Indian promoter. Typically, these are extremely passionate individuals, people who have deep conviction in what they are building out, great domain knowledge. They have a certain set of skills, but these skills are only good and valid to a certain point. They can build these companies up to a logical level. But then comes a real challenge. How do you take it a step forward? How do you make it work? The first thing that you actually seek is active capital, as I mentioned earlier. What you really look for are people and individuals who can complement your skill sets. People who bring in an expertise that you don't have. Let me give an example. A person in, take the education space. He has the ability to understand how to teach or how to impart teaching. But does he really know how to market the product? Does he really know how technology, for instance, can make his product better? Does he have the human resource skills to bring in great quality management that will take his business further?
Now let's stop for a minute. Let's think about it. Essentially, there are three typical things which a company has. A, it is the skill set. B, it is the clients. And C, systems and processes. Indus Way to me is help companies build and scale by helping promoters bring in systems and processes and by helping promoters get in new skill sets. So the idea of build and scale is essentially to take the companies to next level of performance.
These are serious challenges, and this is where a philosophy like ours, which is the Indus Way, adds that incremental value, which ultimately makes the difference between a company being valued at $1 million to possibly $100 million.